Friends, as a democracy and a digital leader, India is ready to work with partners for our shared prosperity and security. India's digital revolution is rooted in our democracy, our demography, and the scale of our economy. It is powered by enterprise and innovation of our youth. We are turning the challenges of the past into an opportunity to take a leap into the future. There are 5 important transitions taking place in India. 1, we are building the world's most extensive public information infrastructure. Over 1.3 billion Indians have a unique digital identity. We are on our way to connect 600,000 villages with broadband. We have built the world's most efficient payment infrastructure, the UPI. Over 800 million Indians use internet. 750 million are on smartphones. We are one of the largest consumer of data per capita and have one of the cheapest data in the world. 2, we are transforming the lives of the people by using digital technology for governance, inclusion, empowerment, connectivity, delivery of benefits and welfare. Everyone has heard of India's financial inclusion, banking, and digital payment revolution. Recently, we have used technology to deliver over 1.1 billion doses of vaccines across India's vast geography using Arogya Setu and CoWIN platforms. We are also building a national digital health mission for affordable and universal healthcare for our billion-plus people. Our One Nation, One Card will deliver benefits to the hundreds of millions of workers anywhere in the country. 3, India has the world's 3rd largest and fastest growing startup ecosystem. New unicorns are coming up every few weeks. They are providing solutions to everything from health and education to national security. 4, India's industry and services sectors, even agriculture, are undergoing massive digital transformation. We are also using digital technology for clean energy transition, conversion of resources, and protection of biodiversity. 5, there is a large effort to prepare India for the future. We are investing in developing indigenous capabilities in telecom technology such as 5G and 6G. India is one of the leading nations in artificial intelligence and machine learning, especially in human-centered and ethical use of artificial intelligence. We are developing strong capabilities in cloud platforms and cloud computing. This is key to resilience and digital sovereignty. We are building world-class capabilities in quantum computing. India's space program is a vital part of our economy and security. it is now open to innovation and investment for the private sector. India is already a major center for providing cybersecurity solutions and services to corporates around the world. We have set up a task force with our industry to make India a global hub for cybersecurity. We have the benefit of our skills and global trust. And now we are focusing on hardware. We are preparing a package of incentives to become a key manufacturer of semiconductors. Our production-linked incentive schemes in electronics and telecom are already attracting local and global players. To set up base in India